Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe natural homemade hair oil recipe. Let's start. Ingredients: onion 1 cup, curry leaves, fresh aloe vera, hibiscus leaves, fenugreek 1 tablespoon soaked, fresh coconut oil. I will take a fresh aloe vera, brahmi soppu. This is called brahmi soppu. Use these ingredients. Please subscribe my channel. Let's start. I will take a one pan. Pan heat for 1 second. Add a coconut oil. You use any other coconut oil. Put into the fresh aloe vera. Soaked fenugreek. I will take a 1 tablespoon. Soak it for 5 minutes. Put into the hibiscus. Put into the onion. I will use 1 cup of onion. Hibiscus leaves, brahmi soppu. Add curry leaves, mix it well again and again in a medium flame. Boiling to the 5 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. Oil will be nice aroma. Soak it well. Finally, ready to natural herbal hair oil.